1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Draw the strawberries and put them in my basket.
Great! We counted from 1 to 8. Now let's draw strawberry number 1. First, draw the stem. Next, add the leaves.
I'll take them to my hive.
Our bee is waiting patiently. When it is ready, our bee will carry it back to the hive. The leaves are complete. Draw the berry shape. Add small seeds. Space them evenly across the strawberry. Strawberry number 1 is ready. Number 2. Draw its stem and leaves slowly. Add the berry shape and seeds. Strawberry number 2 is ready. Draw the stem, leaves, and berry shape for strawberry number 3. Strawberry number 3 is complete. Now draw strawberry number 4. Repeat the same steps. Strawberry number 4 is ready. Practice helps us draw smoother lines. Now draw strawberry number 5. Number 5 is ready. Practice makes drawing easier. A grown-up can help. Now draw strawberry number 6. Number 6 is ready. Next, draw strawberry number 7. Strawberry number 7 is ready. Our bee will carry it to the hive. Finally, draw strawberry number 8. All 8 strawberries are ready. Now let's add color. Place your coloring tools neatly beside your paper. While I color, try to guess each strawberry's color. What color will strawberry number 1 be? Think for a moment. Strawberry number 1 is red. Next is number 2. Strawberry number 2 is blue. What color will strawberry number 3 be? Number 3 is pink. Next is number 4. Strawberry number 4 is yellow. Strawberry number 5 is purple. Strawberry number 6 is orange. Strawberry number 7 is green. Strawberry number 8 is red. Now let's color the stems. What color are the stems? Our bee is very happy. The stems are green. Today we counted to 8, drew strawberries, and practiced colors. Great work! See you next time. Goodbye.